Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So a couple of weird things happen when you turn 40, I guess. You end up getting glasses and you're suddenly interested in all of the wild birds around your property. Welcome to 40. Well, I am in love with this beautiful bird bath and hummingbird feeder from Chimes US. This kit came with everything that you need to put it together, and I had it together and ready to go in a matter of moments. It was super easy to put it in my yard, and I love that the hummingbird feeders are not only a beautiful art piece for my yard, but also the little flowers for them to get the nectar has a perch on them to stand on. You could choose to have it with a perch or without, so I put one with a perch and two without. They're easy to hang and they look absolutely beautiful in my backyard. I love the durability of this bird feeder. Even though the hummingbird feeder balls are made of glass, they have withstood all of the intense weather so far. I can't wait to see all of the different wildlife that this bird feeder brings into my backyard. So if you've turned 40 and discovered that you're suddenly interested in winged wildlife, or maybe you're in your upper 30s and you just want to prepare yourself, I think you will love this beautiful bird bath and hummingbird feeder from Chimes USA. And that's my point of view.